Day Sir Balan. My name is Fatima Paz, 26 years of age. I'm living in Cototan, Iloilo. I'm a married, and I have only one child. I graduated my high school at Barangay Nuevo National Comprehensive High School, and I graduated in my college in Iloilo State College of Fisheries Dingley Campus, and degree, a Bachelor Science Information Technology. My duties and obligations. I know how to cook. I know how to cook food and Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn Chinese food.
Okay. What are the Filipino dishes you can prepare? Your special food.
I know how to cook puchero,
What else?
adobo, and tinolang manok.
How did you learn cooking? Who
I'm
taught you?
a household mom. I'm a
Housewife.
housewife.
So you mean to say you're the one who prepared food
Yes.
for your family. So
Yes.
who taught you how to cook?
My mother also, and
So
my
your
father.
Okay, from your mother and father.
Father.
So you can follow instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
How about instructions from Inubu?
Sometimes
You also follow.
I follow.
So
Sometimes
you need to learn more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you said you are a mother, no?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your child?
1 year and 10 months.
If you can go, who will take her?
My father. And my husband is also working.
Okay. And how long you think you can be away from your family?
As long as I'm.
Your employer needs you.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you have a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
And if given a chance to renew, you're also
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Your health, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to get yourself ready, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.